But getting into a little bit about what the label itself is. So every Safer Choice product relies on or has to include only the chemicals that are on our safer chemical ingredient list. And so, unlike most labels out there, we really look at every single chemical in that formulation. We have to really know what the chemicals are. We know how they interact with each other. So it's rather than saying something is, free of a particular chemical, we're looking at the whole thing. So I think that's what really sets Safer Choice apart. And it also, it's an EPA owned label. So it takes all of the information that we have here at EPA's Office of Chemical Safety and Pollution Prevention to, bring into doing this analysis. And so it really does the homework so that you don't have to spend a whole lot of time looking at those lists and standing in an aisle comparing one product to, you still have some products to choose from because we have a variety of them with the logo, but it really, I think, helps with that choice to feel confident.
Well, one of the things I really like about the Safer Choice program is that with the label, both the homeowners and the house cleaners that they hire can agree on this is what you're bringing into my home.
Mhm.
Instead of the homeowner saying, how about using this product? And the house cleaner saying, well, there's a different version that I would prefer to use. And so it's a kind of across the board label that then keeps everybody safe, which I absolutely love because now we can come to some agreements on what it is we're going to be using.
Mhm. Right. And we also have a fragrance free option. So if there's someone who, is particularly sensitive or wants to move forward with that option, then you can kind of bring that to the table as well. So I think that's a good way to offer some potential variety and still be able to have that kind of the underpinning of